All right, well, I just received this. This, I believe, is from Mattell Creations, the 91 Mazda Miata. 91 has a special place in my heart. The year I graduated from high school. Maybe I shouldn't say that because it tells you all how old I am. But yeah, let's check it out. That's pretty cool. Kind of a British racing green 91 Mazda Miata with the rubber tires, car culture, really great detail there. That's really nice. Tail lights and headlight area. Well, the little flashers or whatever up front. Yeah, pretty typical. Tons of text on the back there. But yeah, car's a little bent, but hopefully that'll flatten out over time as I have it out of the pack, out of the box and everything. But yeah, this is a cool model. I always really dig the NA Miatas. I'm a tall guy, and I actually don't really fit that well in the second generation Miatas because they put more like an inch extra padding on the seats, and my head hits the roof when it's closed. But on the earlier ones, the seat padding's thinner, and I actually fit on those. So yeah, this will be a nice addition to the collection. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe. That really helps me out, and I really appreciate it. Thank you.